What's up, guys? It's March 28th, 2024. Last day of the month. Coming into a 3-day weekend, so markets were pretty slow. Oh, I didn't trade today. I was like, I'm just gonna wait till next month. I'm not really. It was an expanding triangle, actually. Now I'm looking at it here. But I was watching the markets a little bit. I walked away and came back and so yeah, pretty. It looks like it's a continuation from yesterday, kind of like a bull flag expanding triangle. Bull flag breakout channel. Wow. Bar 78 came within one tick, or came and tested bar 76. And bar 76 is the first reversal. Remember in the other video, I was like, well, bar 76 could get tested if we start to channel. I mean, if we start to range. That's crazy. Breakout, first pullback, channel, range, and it gets tested. The high of 76 got tested at bar 70, 79. Yeah, so this high. Bar 77, 75 is high, 76 high. Bar one is we have a gap down, really small. Bar one's continuation, bar two's continuation. I think there's more buyers down here because of yesterday's price action. And then bars three and four go and tag yesterday's high, and then we pull back with six. So kind of like a small sell, a bull flag, but it's not a very strong bull flag because it failed to close above yesterday's high, and then bulls go again with bar seven trying to close for yesterday's high. Bar eight is this bear bar here, and it gives kind of like a 2-bar reversal. Bear sell off, and it's a fractal wedge. 1, 2, 3, and then bulls get a few legs back into yesterday's high. Leg one, opposite count. 2, 3. Hold on. Leg one, pull back. Leg two, pull back. 3, pull back. 4, pull back, and then the bears get the breakout here. Then the bears leg count it starts, I guess. Excuse me. Leg one, pull back. Leg two, pull back. Leg three, pull back, or it could be like four or like three there. So like one, pull back, like two, pull back, like three, pull back, like four, and that creates a range part of the market cycle because it's a breakout channel range, and we kind of expanding a little bit more bullish price action. Bulls are making new highs, bears are making new lows late in the day, so that's an expanding triangle character trait. There's three legs down, testing this low, testing today's low. Yeah, we pretty much sold off right into today's low. I watched bar 54. I thought that was a pretty good trade to go 1-for-1. Would have been nice if it closed above the EMA. The, the reason I liked it was because it was an outside bar after three pushes down. So leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, outside bar, take out the low, and then aggressively bought the highs. And then you do get 1-to-1, but you gotta sit through a deep pullback. In fact, it retags the low before it even goes. So maybe not. Maybe it looked like a good trade, but you have to sit through a pullback. How would you manage that? It's up to you. You had lots of time to get out of break even though, so that's nice. Um, Here's three legs up, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, and then bears get two legs down, leg one, pull back, leg two. And then bulls get a breakout late in the day. They try and go for a breakout at least. The leg one, pull back, leg two, trap. Second leg trap in a trading range. Bang triangle. 2-bar reversal by the breakout by here. 1-to-1 maybe. From here to here. That's meant. I mean, obviously that's not meant. You could maybe someone would try and go for this bar here, but that's also not meant. So you could maybe let's see, leg one, leg two. Not meant. Pretty bad breakout. Lots of overlap. Range day, late in the day, lots of overlap. Fractal wedge right here. Leg one or push one, pull back, push two, pull back, push three. Because doji bars are range bars, so they could be a form of a pullback. It did close bullish, so it's a form of like a bull channel. Maybe a small. You could buy this and scalp out at the recent high. Maybe this is the first. This is a high one though, so sometimes high ones can lead to another leg lower. So leg one, pull back leg two, second leg trap, and then bears get three legs down, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. That's kind of the day. They tag. I'm really surprised they tagged this high. It's so cool to see like how the pieces are kind of starting to fit together from the market cycle, and then now I'm able to kind of find reversal targets. I was really surprised when that happened. I was like, yo, it happened. They tagged the bar. I wanted them to tag the low of this bar, but I mean, still learning, so this is good enough. Yeah, I'm super stoked. So keep studying. Today was a short one. It was really simple. It was an easy day. 3-day weekend. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Where are we in the market cycle? It's a range bound price action, expanding triangle. We had bullish price action yesterday, so we've been in a bull channel for a really long time. We're trading right above the EMA. Let's look at this time frame. So here we are. Kind of looks like a double top for the bears almost, but no bearish close. Markets are closed tomorrow, I think, or maybe they're open for like 2 hours or something. But I'm not gonna be trading them. 45-minute chart here. Yeah, breakout sideways into the EMA. We've been trading above the higher time frame EMA for quite some time now. The last time we touched it was February 21st. So for 25 days, 35 days, we've been trading above it. Maybe we start to pull back, tag it, and go again, or if something's gonna happen because where are we in the market cycle on the daily time frame? We're in the channel phase. Happens after the channel phase, breakout, or is a range phase, and if bears get the reversal, they're gonna start testing all the previous failed reversals. The bulls, full flag lows and highs. So it'll be interesting once we start seeing, because these are all failed reversals. Maybe not that one, but that's this right here is. This one's not. So this is a failed reversal because it's a full flag. This is a failed reversal right here. That's a failed reversal right here. And not all these are gonna get tagged, you know. Here's another failed reversal. You guys see the bull flags there? This leg is the one that fails. So then that's the if we start to go down, that's targets is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, this is a quick one today. The markets have been super slow this month. I want to pick these videos back up about 10, 15 minutes long, but lots of overlap, which is good practice anyways. So, you know, I'm gonna remember this next year for sure. March was a shriveled up month, overlap. I just happened to I got smoked in the beginning. I'm live again, so I'm waiting for this month to be over and start fresh next week. Hope you guys have a good one. Hope you had a good Easter Sunday. Merry Christmas. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.